Okay, so today's problem that we'll be working on is 86 divided by 6. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to make an estimate. So I find a compatible number that's close to 86 that could be divided by 6. Okay? Now, 80 can be divided by 6, but that might be a tricky problem for you guys. So I would say the closest thing would be 60. That's easy to do. So my estimate is going to be 10, and I know my answer is going to be a lot greater than that, right? Because I went all the way down to 60. Now, when I show up, we've talked about there being baskets outside the house. So there are 6 baskets outside the house. Now, when we open the front door, the first thing to show up are the 10s. And there are 8 10s standing at the door. So we have to ask ourselves, how many of these 10s can we put in each basket? We can put 1 10 in each basket. Now, if I put a 10 in each basket, that means I've used 6 of those 10s. They're out of the house. And there are 2 10s left in the house. Now I go back and I knock again. And all the 1s appear, including the 2 10s who are now 21s. Now there are 26 1s standing at the door. I'm going to give out all those 1s until I can't anymore, until I can't do it equally any longer. So each one is going to get 4 1s. And that is going to use 24 of those 26 1s, which means there are 2 that remain in the house. So if I have 6 baskets outside the house, and I have 86, let's say, dollars in the house, each basket's going to get $14, and there will be 2 left over. Okay? Now, to check this, we're going to look at our estimate. Our estimate was 10, as you see right here, and we said that the answer should be greater. Our answer was 14, remainder 2, so that seems reasonable. Now, I'm going to check my work. And this is how you check your work. To see if I did it correctly, I'm going to multiply the divisor times the quotient, and I'm going to add the remainder. So I'm going to do 14 times 6. I'm going to multiply that. Okay? 6 times 4 is 24. Regroup the 2 10s. 6 times 1 10. 6 times 1 10 is 6 10s, plus 2 10s is 8 10s. That's 84. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in this remainder, plus 2, and I get 86, showing me that I did solve the problem correctly.